next lecture of thermodynamics. Dear friends, in our earlier lecture, we have studied about application of entropy principle, in which we have studied about mixing of two fluid in an insulated chamber, and then we derive the equation of maximum work obtained from heat engine working between two finite body. So friends, in this lecture we will continue our application of entropy principle with maximum work obtainable from a heat engine working between a finite body and TER, thermal energy reservoir, which has infinite heat capacity to reject or to absorb heat. And we also study about heat transfer between two thermal energy reservoir. Okay friends, so friends, I hope that you will like this video. So friends, let's enjoy your video. Dear friends, it is our case third, maximum work obtainable from heat engine working between finite body and TER, thermal energy reservoir. Dear friends, our thermal energy reservoir is at temperature T naught and our body A is at temperature T. So friends, our body A has temperature which is higher than our thermal energy reservoir. So our body A reject Q amount of heat due to temperature difference to our heat engine and attain the temperature T naught through thermodynamic equilibrium. So friends, here Q amount of heat is rejected from body A and it is supplied to heat engine, and heat engine give us W amount of work. So friends, heat rejected to our TER is Q, this is total, minus W, this will remain Q minus W, and it is rejected to TER which is at temperature T naught, and our body A attain the temperature T naught. So friends, from our sign convention of heat rejected from body A which is negative, and it is here Q is equal to minus C, final temperature is T naught minus T. Now if we disappear this minus sign, then Q is equal to C T minus T naught. Friends, here our entropy principle is entropy change of universe is greater than or equal to 0. Here our universe is system plus surrounding. So friends, entropy change of system plus entropy change of surrounding is greater than or equal to 0. And friends, there is no exchange between surrounding, there is no transfer of heat from this system. So dear friends, our system consists body A, so it is our change in entropy of A plus change in entropy of our heat engine which is reversible, and there is change in entropy of our TER which is our system, and here system become our universe, so it is greater than or equal to 0. Now my dear friends, there is entropy change of A is equal to, it has temperature T and then attain temperature T naught. So friends, integrate from T to T naught dq upon T. This is our entropy change equation and is equal to C ln T naught upon T. So friends, our heat engine is reversible, so entropy change is equal to 0, and our TER, heat is rejected at temperature T naught. So friends, entropy change is equal to dq upon T. So friends, here dq is equal to Q minus W and T is equal to T naught. So friends, for our system we can write as C ln T naught upon T plus 0 for our reversible heat engine plus Q minus W upon T naught for our TER, entropy change for TER, which is greater than or equal to 0 from entropy principle. Dear friends, ClN T naught upon T plus here Q is equal to C T minus T naught. So we are writing here C T naught T minus T naught upon this T naught, and this minus W upon T naught go to this side and become plus. So friends, W is equal to, we will multiply this T naught here. So we get that work done is less than or equal to T naught C ln T naught upon T plus this T naught and T naught get cancelled, C T minus T naught. So friends, final equation is W is less than and equal to C. C is here common, so it comes out from bracket. In bracket there is T minus T naught minus T naught ln T upon T naught. Friends, here we are using the properties of log, so we both exchange here up and down and it become negative. Now friends, we want to find W max here. So W max is here less than or equal to, so our equal to become W max here, and is equal to C T minus T naught minus T naught ln T upon T naught. This is our W max, work done maximum for heat engine working between a finite body and thermal energy reservoir. Now friends, we will move to our next case, which is for, and it is heat transfer between two thermal energy reservoir. Here our one thermal energy reservoir at temperature T1 and another one is temperature T2. It is adiabatically covered. There is no loss of heat from this our system. Here T1 is greater than T2, so heat is transferred from T1 to T2. So heat is transferred from T1, so it is source, and it is transferred to T2, so it is sink. So friends, entropy change of universe is equal to entropy change of system plus entropy change of surrounding. We know that, and here there is no exchange with surrounding, so it is 0. So friends, our entropy change of universe is equal to entropy change of system. Here our system consists source and sink, so entropy change of system is equal to entropy change of A plus entropy change of B. So friends, here it is rejected, so it is minus Q1 upon T1, and it is supply, so it is plus, and entropy is equal to, we know that ds is equal to dq upon T. So it is Q1 upon T2. And friends, instead of Q1 we are writing here Q. So entropy change of universe is equal to Q, here T1 minus T2 upon T1 into T2. This equation we get from solving this equation. Okay friends, so this is all about our principle of entropy, and these are all application of it. So friends, this is the end of lecture. And friends, if you find these lectures are helpful to you, then please give us like and share it as possible maximum.